This is the desk clamp power strip. It's designed with a fixed clamp and can be installed on the edge of a table or workbench or wherever else you need it. Let's take a look at it. So, here we have, it comes in this bag here. Take this off. It's got this protective film on it. The desk clamp power strip is a great addition to your workspace. It makes it easy to manage your power cords, providing a clean and tidy space. It's great for accessory for a standing desk. This power strip has 2 USB charging ports and 2 regular power plugs that can be used to connect monitors and scanners and other common devices. And added to your desk, you can have fast access to charge your phone or anything else you need charged. With this power strip, you won't have to crawl under a desk or fumble with cords to plug things in anymore. The housing is made up of sufficiently thick, flame retardant ABS material. The desk strip can be installed and removed easily. The clamping thickness range is up to 1.85 inches. You clamp this, right here. You'll just screw this to any desk, table, workspace that you want to attach this to. So we're going to attach it to this work table here. We're going to clamp it to this work table. All right, to tighten the clamp, you just turn this here. Tighten that so it's nice and snug. All right, and then you plug this cord into a power source. As you can see, a green light is turned on. It means it's ready to go. It's got power connected to it. So for example here, we'll use the USB cord. Plug it in. All right, so now it's charging my phone. So I'm gonna use the other USB port. And here, this will charge a tablet here, this iPad, as you can see. So that's charging. I will hook up a charger for my drill using the regular plug. Plug it in. And this is my charger for my battery. As you can see, it is charging. It has power to this charger. So as you can see, you can plug in multiple things. Very convenient and easy to install.